Hello, beautiful souls. How are you faring today? However you're feeling is perfectly fine. Feel it. It's telling you something. Anyway, I got a message of always be kind. So you're awakening. Always be kind. Always be kind through your awakening. Always be kind with your extremely strong boundaries. Always be kind through adversity. And especially be kind when there is zero kindness to be found. And then turn that kindness onto you, especially. Show yourself kindness. Always. Oh, beautiful souls. You're magnificent.